Hello everyone! Today, we are exploring how to generate a 2-minute AI video using Kling text-to-video software. Now begin by opening the Kling text-to-video software on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, download it from their official website. Now in the software, enter the text or script you want to turn into a video. Kling's AI will use this script to automatically generate video content. Choose from a variety of templates, backgrounds, and animations to match your video's theme. Kling also allows you to add royalty-free music or voiceovers to enhance the final product. Now once you're satisfied with the visuals and audio, click Generate Video. Kling will process the text and turn it into a video in a few minutes. You can then export it in high quality. And that is how easy it is to create an AI video using Kling. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.